Jamaica, this is bigger than politics. This is about the future of our country. Whether you support the JLP, the PNP, or no political party at all, there comes a time when ordinary citizens must stand up and make their voices heard. On Tuesday, June 30th, at 7 a.m. in Crossroads, Kingston, a peaceful civic demonstration is being organized under the banner Stand for Jamaica. The organizers say they are calling on Jamaicans to come together to demand accountability, transparency, and good governance. Among the issues being highlighted are concerns about the deportation agreement with the United States, calls for transparency regarding Hurricane Melissa relief funds, and demands that public officials who have been recommended for criminal prosecution by the Integrity Commission be held accountable through the proper legal process. Whether you agree with every issue or not, one thing remains true. In a democracy, the people have a right to peacefully assemble and let their voices be heard. If you believe Jamaica deserves accountability, if you believe public officials should answer to the people, if you believe the country's future is worth standing up for, then this is your opportunity to participate peacefully and respectfully. History has shown that when citizens unite with one voice, governments listen. Whatever your decision, let it be your own. Stay informed, stay peaceful, and exercise your democratic rights responsibly. I'm Michy. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. What good, Jamaica?
Come on, Jamaica, now is the time. Let's stand together and draw the line. Our children deserve a brighter day, so let our voices lead the way. Stand together, hand in hand, for justice across this land. One people, one voice, one dream. Together we are stronger than we see. Stand for Jamaica. Stand up today. Fight corruption every step of the way. Stand for Jamaica. Let the people decide. We will stand with truth on our side. No to corruption, no to secret deals. Protect our country. Our future is real. Stand for Jamaica. Stand proud and free. Together we will shape our destiny. Our voices matter. Don't turn away.
Get off on Jamaica.